Kapatid, just like me, are you in the season of waiting? Gusto niyo ba pong malaman kung ano yung mga dapat nating gawin while we are in the season of waiting? Hello po, good day, and praise God po for another week na naman. Welcome po sa first Sunday in the month of November, and praise God for His mercy, for His grace, for His favor, for the past 10 months na patuloy tayong sinasamahan ng Panginoon. And today nga po, I'm so excited to share with you yung Lamentations 3 verse 26 where it says, "It is good that a man should both hope quietly, wait for the salvation of the Lord." In Tagalog po, ay pinakamabubuting gawa ng tao ay buong tiyagang maghintay sa pagliligtas ni Yahweh. Have we experienced this kind of thing po ba na parang feeling natin when we are in the time of waiting, the burden ng waiting becomes more heavier. Tapos feeling natin the Lord feels distant. Lalo na yung mind natin is nakaset lang doon sa hinihiling natin and feeling natin the Lord hides Himself from us instead na ma-discover natin siya. And makita po natin dito na these things is intended to make us wait more earnestly, na maging matiyaga tayo, na maghintay, na wala tayong ibang inaasahan kundi siya. Na yung dependency natin ay tanging sa Kanya lamang. Na wala tayo, even the people around us, hindi natin yung inaasahan. Sinong inaasahan lang natin po? The Lord alone. And dito natin makikita na, in the time of waiting, it casts out all our self-righteousness. Dito tinatanggal ng Panginoon. And to hang solely and wholly to the teaching of the Spirit and to the leading and the sweet revelations of Jesus Christ in our life. Kaya po, patuloy tayong magtiyaga sa paghihintay sa kung kailan ang gagawin pong pagkilos ng Panginoon sa ating buhay. And during the time of waiting, magtiyaga lamang po tayo and He will answer at His own time. Ano po ba yung mga dapat natin gawin in the season of waiting? Di ba po binigyan tayo ng key? Number 1, hope quietly. Yung buong tiyaga lang tayong maghintay. Yun po yung isa sa pangako ni Lord, na buong tiyaga tayong maghintay sa gagawin niya sa buhay natin. And let us always remember what the Lord has already gave us, dahil it strengthen the hope in us. And huwag tayong maging negatibo at patuloy nating pag-atiwalaan ang Panginoon sa kanyang pagkilos po sa buhay natin. Ano yung pinaka dapat daw po natin gawin? Hope quietly and wait for the salvation of the Lord. What do we mean by hope quietly? It is waiting with patience. Yan. Walang anumang complain. Na walang, Lord, bakit naman tagal na tagal? Walang ganon. And yun yung isa sa natin, dahil we believe that God is in control at alam niya po yung kanyang ginagawa. That's why we have to hope quietly and wait for the Lord. Hope quietly means regardless of what we have seen outside, narito pa rin sa heart natin yung pagtitiwala sa Panginoon that it will happen according to God's will. Hindi mababanag sa atin yung hopelessness. Narito pa rin yung ating matiyagang paghihintay ng may pag-asa. Na may pag-asa po, paghihintay na mayroong pananampalataya. Dahil once we have this kind of waiting, talagang we will have this positive vibe po baga, na anuman yung magiging result, it will always be on our good. Kaya po, yung hope natin is positive lang. Positive lang pala. Hope quietly means makita man natin yung mga nangyayari sa paligid natin o sa situation natin, parang salungat pa rin doon sa ating gustong mangyari sa nais natin. Pagkatiwalaan pa rin natin ang kalooban ng Panginoon. Dahil si Lord naman, He works, His miracle works every day. Kaya nandun pa rin yung quiet hope natin, tanging sa Panginoon lamang. Negative man yung nangyayari, but we have this positive hope, positive faith from the Lord. Baka naman isipin po natin, when we say hope quietly, wala na akong gagawin. Siyempre po, meron tayong gagawin. At ang gagawin pa rin po natin is yung kalooban ng Panginoon while waiting. Sa Panginoon po ang papuri.